Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about how we can use webcam in LabVIEW. This is the second method. Okay, first method I already uploaded in YouTube. Okay, let's check it. When you search in YouTube Pradeep LabVIEW webcam, then you see this is the first video about this, how to run webcam in LabVIEW. This is the method 1. Okay, now let's come on the method 2. Okay, now let's come on the block diagram. Right click here and you see vision motion. Okay, there have lots of function here. If you don't know about this function, how you can install, okay, or someone is new in this video, then I will tell you about how you can install this vision motion components. Okay, first what you do, first close your LabVIEW. Okay, close your LabVIEW and close this LabVIEW, and you need to connect your internet. Okay, connect any Wi-Fi. Okay, now I connected here. Now let's go and search NI. Okay, now you see this is the NI package manager. Open this. Okay, click to yes. Okay, it's take a few seconds. Okay, and please connect your internet, it's very important. Okay, otherwise you got error. Okay, now let's wait. Okay, now you see they have install update package. Okay, you need to click on browse product like this. Okay, now you need to search here vision, VSION. Okay, now click to enter. Okay, now you see, okay, you need to install this one, vision development module, and this one. Okay, first click here. Okay, and select your live version. Now I'm using 2020. Okay, now you see I already installed. Okay, you need to install this one. Okay, after that you need to install this one. Okay, as per requirement you can do anything. Okay, but first install this, then this one. Okay, now close this and restart your laptop after click to install. Okay, now again open your LabVIEW. Okay, now again right click on the block diagram and click to vision motion. Okay, after that you see all component here. Okay, now click to vision and this one, click to this component and drag on the screen. Okay, after a few seconds one window is pop up. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's take a few seconds. Okay, done. Okay, now you need to connect your webcam in your laptop. Now I connect it. Okay, done. Okay, this is com0. Okay, that's the first very important thing. What you do, uh, go to my manager. Sorry, click to cancel. Okay, minimize this window and right click here, and you need to click to manage. Okay, click to device manager. Okay, and you see they have a camera option. Okay, first click this and they have a two icon. Okay, first this is my laptop camera. Okay, and this is my webcam. Okay, when I remove this one, now you see, okay, this one is my laptop. Okay, first what you do, first you need to disable your laptop camera. Okay, right click and disable. Okay, I already disabled, that's why it's she enable. Okay, first you need to disable this camera. Okay, after that what you do, connect your webcam. Okay, now you see right now webcam is activate. Okay, and your laptop camera is disabled. Okay, if you miss this setting, that's why your webcam is not working. Okay, okay, after do that, close this. Now let's come on the programming. Okay, now let's start. Okay, double click on this this icon. Okay, after a few seconds again pop up a new window. Okay, now wait. Okay, initializing vision. Okay, now done. Okay, you see this is the cam 0. Now you need to click this one. Now you see this play icon is disabled. When you click this one, after few seconds it's enable. Okay, like you see. Okay, now let's check our webcam is working or not. Now need to test, click to run. Okay, now you see it's working perfectly, it's working. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, done. Now what do you do, you need to click to next, okay, or finish. Okay, if you need to do more setting, then click to next, otherwise you can click to finish. Okay, now I'm click to next. Okay, there have a four method. Okay, as per your comment, like if you need to run on once, then you need to click first point. Okay, if you need to continue the operation, then click to second. Now I'm click to second one. Okay, okay, now click to next. Okay, now you see there have lots of setting here about the brightness, okay, gain, okay, saturation, everything here. As per requirement you can choose, like click to mode, and you need to select like manually. Okay, sorry, click to value, and you can choose as per your requirement. Okay, right now I'm not do anything. Okay, okay, if you need to every every attribute, now click to show all attributes. You see everything's here, you can choose, or we can say enable or disable as per your comment. Okay, okay, now close this. We will work on this later. Okay, now click to next. Okay, you can choose this also, enable logging. This is the file format, which type of format you need. Okay, as per like you select your path also. Okay, uh, okay, but right now I'm click to enable. Okay, now click to next. Okay, there have lots of setting here, same brightness, saturation, everything here. Okay, sharpness or white balance. Okay, you can choose as per comment. Okay, now last connect, click to finish. Okay, you see after few seconds it's created a loop, or we can say perfect program, like you see. Okay, automatic created. Okay, now drag here. Okay, everything is here. This is a stop button. Okay, now right click and click to clean up wire. Okay, hold on, this is image out, and this is stop button. When you click to this stop button, then your VI is stop. Okay, now right click and let's replace to other boolean, and click to button, and I'm choose this one. Okay, okay, all done. Now what do you do, let's increase this icon. Okay, now right click and click to caption. Okay, all done. Okay, now what do you do, let's me modify. Okay, now let's click to run, it's working or not. Now what do you do, let's click to run. Okay, now you see it's working, webcam is working. Okay, perfectly. Okay, now you see. Okay, all done. Okay, right click and click to zoom to fit. Okay, now you see it's perfect size. Okay, okay, everything here. Okay, all done. Now when you click to OK, then you see your program is stop. Now you see your stop control connect to this stop. Okay, and this stop output is gone to this one. Okay, that's why it directly connect to this one. Okay, otherwise what you do, you directly connect this stop to this control. Now all done. Okay, now you need to, if you need to save an image, what do you do, I already created a program about this. Now let's come and I'm show you about now I remove this one, and I'm check image save and click enter. Okay, now you see I already created tutorial 3 how to save image. Help of this you can easy to save your image. Okay, help of this you can easy to modify in this project, and you can save every image as per your comment. Like when I click to run, and you see like this. Okay, if you need to save this image, then click to OK. Okay, and this image is like perfectly here, but if you need to save, then you need to modify. It's very easy. Okay, everything's declare here. Okay, you need to only add in this VI. Okay, try to do this, it's very simple. If you have any doubt, then comment, I will reply soon. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.